With over 26 branches across the country and serving over 200,000 members, Tower SACCO continues to tower in the cooperative movement. In this documentary, we trace the SACCO's milestones in transforming lives in Kenya and across the borders. Tower SACCO's origin dates back to 15th September 1976, when it was registered as Nyandarua Teachers Savings and Credit Cooperative Society. That is about 47 years ago. The idea was mooted by Humphrey Wangombe, a former primary school teacher who was working as Executive Secretary of Kenya National Union of Teachers Nyandarua branch when the SACCO was formed.
We began the society so that the teachers could gain through their savings financially, so that they could buy shabas, because by that time, Nyandarua, people are selling shabas. We are all 10 founders. It was difficult because the teachers did not like it. And you know, they are in every group, they are pro and against. The entrance fees was just 20 shillings. I never gave up. I never got any payment at all, even a cent. Whenever we had a meeting, the little we had was to be paid for traveling allowance. By that time, there was no sitting allowance.
The first loan was granted to member number 25. This was in 1977, of Kenya shillings to 15,000. This was a lot of money as compared to what the teachers were earning by then.
Tower SACCO, whose vision is to be accessible, universal SACCO of choice for excellent and vibrant economic growth, was housed at this structure at inception, outside the office of Kenya National Teachers Union. Later on, it moved to this building where it has been operating from. And now, 47 years later, the SACCO moves into a new home, Tower SACCO Plaza, whose name is symbolic of its growth in the cooperative movement, as it is no longer just about teachers.
It opened its common board in the year 2011. So people from all walks of life, people from all sectors of the economy can now join Tower SACCO. So for you to join Tower SACCO, you only need to come with 500 shillings, add your ID, and then you become a member of Tower SACCO. Just fill a membership application form, and then from there you start saving little by little, and after 3 months you can be able to access a loan based on the amount that you have saved.
By 1977, the society had 125 members with a share capital of 90,000 Kenya shillings, compared to today's membership of over 200,000 as at 31st March 2023.
Nimenunua shamba, nimeelimisha watoto wangu. Hii tinga ambayo iko nyuma yangu nimenunuliwa na SACCO baada ya kustaafu. Hii tinga hasa nimekuwa nikihaya kwa watu, na nikihaya ninapata pesa.
In terms of loans, the amount that is outstanding right now with our members stands at 16.1 billion. In terms of deposits, stands at 15.6 billion. In terms of assets, the SACCO has a wealth of 20 billion.
Tower SACCO is licensed by the SACCO Societies Regulatory Authority, SASRA, as a deposit-taking SACCO after fulfilling all the conditions set by the regulatory body.
Makao yangu nimeyapata kutokana na Tower SACCO. Nimeweza kununua mashamba. Zamani mwalimu hakuwa akiweza kuendesha gari kama lile unaona pale la blue, ni langu ninaweza kuendesha. Today I can call myself a landlord through the investments ambazo nimeweza kufanya na Tower SACCO. Shule hii sisi pesa zetu zote huwa tunaweka Tower SACCO. Wazazi wanaweka Tower SACCO na members wanaweka Tower SACCO.
Most of our members are farmers. Once we opened the common board, we opened the farmers. Most of the farmers grow potatoes. And you know, to accumulate amount of money to educate your children, grow maybe potato, it is a challenge because you harvest little by little. So it gave them an opportunity to bring the retro to form a kind of a saving. Apart from potato, we have dairy.
Tumewawekea sawdust ili waweze kulala comfortably.
Peter Kamau Njoroge, a head teacher at Nyandundo Primary School, has seen the fruits of Tower SACCO.
I joined Tower SACCO in the year 2010, and therefore I've been there for around 13 years. Yes. It has been a good journey together with them.
What made you join the SACCO exactly?
I joined the SACCO because I had the desire to grow financially, but I could not have actualized that through the retro salary I was getting. And
what are some of the projects or what you've achieved because of the SACCO?
Immediately I joined the SACCO, I remember I was in university. So
You're still in the university?
By then. So they assisted me to complete my university education. I was at a parallel program. Immediately after that, I told them I needed a piece of land. And that is when now they assisted me to buy this piece of land, 2.5 acres, at a tune of around 3 million. Immediately after that, we decided to construct this good house.
Hii nyumba ni matunda ya Tower SACCO?
Hii nyumba pia ni matunda ya Tower SACCO.
Wow.
Tumejenga pamoja na wao.
Well done, well done.
Na Alex bado hapa, niko na gari ambalo linanisaidia kama mwalimu.
Okay, this is also
pia ni msaada wa Tower SACCO.
Kutokana na Tower SACCO.
Kutokana na Tower SACCO.
Well done.
Wakanipa pesa na tukanunua.
Great.
Sasa Alex, hii ni project nyingine.
Kwa ng'ombe.
Kwa ng'ombe huku. Tumeanza dairy farming.
Nice.
Yeah.
Ng'ombe safi?
Wow. Ng'ombe ni safi. Kabisa.
Frisian?
Hawa ni Frisian.
Uko na wangapi?
Ng'ombe wote ni 10.
10.
Lakini kwa hii boma tuko na hawa ng'ombe 6. Kwa hawa ng'ombe wote kama sasa hawa 6. Dakika hii wako around 140 liters.
140 liters per day?
Every day.
Wow, well done. So what's the impact of all this, in your life?
It has been able to set me financially free. I've gained financial freedom. Na singangani sana katika maisha. Number 2, I'm also happy that I've offered job opportunities to many people.
Wow.
Kwa hivyo ninasaidia jamii na mimi mwenyewe ninaishi maisha mazuri.
Tower SACCO offers back office services and activities known as BOSA, which include but not limited to share deposits and credit facilities. It also offers front office services and activities, FOSA, which are services similar to those offered by banks. It mobilizes deposits from members through different types of accounts. Under BOSA, there are various loan products including normal loan, emergency loan, school fees, and VUCA loan, which is specifically for salaried members.
We also have insurance services. We have partnered with insurance firms, and we can be able to offer insurance services to our members. We have motor insurance, we have life insurance, and we also have general insurance.
The products under FOSA include salary advance, premium loan, Makao Bora, premium emergency, Kilimo advance, and Boresha Mama.
So Boresha Mama, of course, it is in partnership with the Women Enterprise Fund, where we are able to avail finances to the women in our society for them to establish their businesses, to expand their businesses, and also be financially independent.
Kitambo nilikuwa natumia ile machine zile za kitambo, lakini wakati nilianza kubank na Tower SACCO, nilikuwa na bank each and every day. Hata kama ni 100, hata kama ni 50, nilikuwa naweka. Wakati niliweka, nilienda huko na nika withdraw pesa yangu. Ikaniwezesha nikaweza kununua machine kama hii kubwa.
Regarding the Makao Bora facility that we are availing to our members, or even non-members once they join us, it is a partnership that we have entered with Kenya Mortgage Refinance Company. So in that particular product, we normally get refinancing from Kenya Mortgage Refinance Company. We avail that facility to our customers for acquisition of their own residential houses, be it construction or be it they want to buy a house that is already complete. So for that particular product, we give for up to 120 months at a very competitive interest rate. This means the Makao Bora facility is in line with the government policy on affordable housing.
When the president was taking oath, he reminded us as Kenyans that we have to grow the culture of saving. In Tower SACCO, we are able to approach and to reach that very common mwananchi down there. And we have grown those very common people to become millionaires in this country.
Kwa siku najaribu ni save kama 200.
Shilingi 200.
Shilingi 200.
Umejikaza kila siku.
Ikikosa najaribu ni lazima niweke ni save shilingi 100. Lakini nisiende nyumbani bila kusave chochote. Kwa hivyo hiyo ndio maana ya kuinua bottom up. Wakati nilijiunga na Tower SACCO, nilijua njia za kutafuta pesa za shule, kuchukua loan very fast.
Na umesomesha mpaka wapi?
Mpaka university. Third born wangu yuko university.
Oh, third born yuko university. Well done.
Mombasa Technical University.
The good thing about Tower SACCO is that all these services can now be accessed at your fingertips through secure ICT platforms.
Products that we have are mostly tailored towards self-customer service, and you'll find that most of our members will prefer interacting with our SACCO through the digital platforms. So we have internet banking, we have agency banking, we have mobile banking, and we also have our ATM SACCO Link solution through Cooperative Bank. As at now, Tower SACCO has its own USSD code and mobile app. Our USSD code is *655#. For our agency banking, similarly, the same limits apply. And for internet banking, it's more of an interactive portal or platform where members can be able to get their statements, do queries, and to do any other update regarding their biodata.
Kama agent, Tower SACCO huwa anatulipa na commission. Tunapata commission mwisho wa mwezi. Na hii inasaidia, kuna watoto wanasoma, niko na watoto shuleni na colleges. Inasaidia kulipa house rent. Niko na shamba kama saa hii sasa tunatayarisha mashamba.
The SACCO has been paying dividends to the members every year since 1980. The 2022 dividends on shares amounted to about 287 million shillings at the rate of 20%, while the rebates on non-withdrawable deposits amounted to about 1.4 billion Kenya shillings at the rate of 13% after approval by the members during the annual general meeting held on 28th January 2023.
For the past 5 years, Tower SACCO has been ranked among the best SACCO in terms of dividend payment and also payment of interest. If you join Tower SACCO and invest, at least you'll get an interest at the end of the year of the amount that you have saved.
For the last over 15 years, we have not gotten any credit facility from any financial organization. We have sustained our SACCO through our savings and the deposits from members.
In the diaspora, you have 600 members. We normally hold virtual meetings with them on a regular basis. And we have special products for the people in the diaspora, like the mortgage finance, the asset finance, the Makao Bora. All those are designed focusing on our members in the diaspora.
Tower SACCO's branches are spread in 8 counties.
We have a branch in Nairobi. We have a branch in Kiambu. We have a branch in Narok. We have branches in Samburu. We have branches in Laikipia, in Nyandarua and Nakuru County. And also we have a branch in Kilifi County, in Mtwapa Town. In the diaspora, you have members from Australia. We have members from Asia. We have members in Europe. And also we have members in the USA.
And the diaspora members are happy as technology has made the SACCO to appear so near to them.
I joined Tower SACCO back in 2013 because of many different factors. One being, access to low interest loans, savings and investment products that they have. They provide 13% return on savings they have since I joined them actually. As a member of a SACCO, you're an owner, unlike when you're dealing with a bank where you're a customer. So they have provided a return on my investment in their share capital of 20% through that time. They're very responsive, very reliable, And you can reach them via phone, via email, or even on WhatsApp. Through Tower SACCO, I've been able to invest in real estate projects and other projects, and the partnership has been great.
I take loans from Tower SACCO from here because we have very active staff. Just like 1 year ago, me and my husband managed to buy a commercial plot in middle of a town that we could not have done so. And now I'm still paying the loan, and I'm paying from here. So, and we also managed to have a good home from Tower SACCO too.
Indeed, Tower SACCO is a basket of all your financial needs, and as the SACCO moves to its new home, its future includes expansion of branch network and digitization of all processes.
Tukiwa wengi tutaenda bali. Ukiwa peke yako utakibia, lakini tukiwa wengi tutaenda bali.
From the word tower, see is a watch where you can see very far and you can see a wide area. We want to tell the world, and we want our members to hear this, that we are going far.